In today's financial climate, where traditional banks offer meager returns on savings, it's crucial to take advantage of opportunities like the UFB Secure Savings Account. This platform empowers you to watch your savings grow exponentially, helping you achieve your financial goals faster than ever before. Imagine the satisfaction of watching your money work for you, compounding daily while you focus on what truly matters in your life. Whether it's securing your future or planning a dream vacation, the freedom to save without limits is now at your fingertips. Let's delve into a few real-life scenarios highlighting the difference that switching to UFB Direct can make. Picture this: you're someone who has been saving diligently, but your current bank is offering you a paltry 0.01% APY. Let's say you transfer your $10,000 savings to UFB Direct. You'd start to earn an incredible $525 in just 1 year. That's not just a small difference, it's a life-changing prospect. With that additional income, you could cover unexpected expenses or set aside cash for that long-desired adventure. Imagine the possibilities. Have you ever considered the emotional impact of financial growth? Knowing that your savings are not just stagnant, but actively working for you can bring peace of mind. Each month, as you see those interest payouts, it's not just about the numbers. It's about the potential dreams those savings hold. Whether it's a home renovation, a road trip with family, or even a new vehicle, the opportunities become tangible when the savings account delivers results. UFB's high APY acts like a catalyst, enabling those dreams to flourish while you embrace a more secure financial future. Now, let's break down some strategies to maximize your earnings with UFB Direct. Start by setting up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your UFB savings account. This simple yet effective move ensures that you're consistently contributing to your savings without even thinking about it. By doing this, you create a strong financial habit that turns saving into a priority rather than an afterthought. Next, consider naming your savings goals, whether it's for an emergency fund, a down payment on a house, or that long-awaited vacation. This adds purpose to your savings and makes it easier to stay disciplined. Plus, with UFB's daily compounding interest, your money grows swiftly, meaning each dollar saved has the potential to earn even more in the long run. Imagine navigating your finances with ease, where saving is not just a chore but a fulfilling pursuit. By choosing UFB Secure Savings, you embrace a future where your money is actively working for you, allowing you to allocate funds to what truly matters, be it education, travel, or building an emergency fund. This isn't merely about financial stability, it's about creating freedom in your life and opening doors to new possibilities. And remember, every dollar you save has the chance to become significantly more with the power of compound interest on your side. Therefore, don't settle for less. Join the movement of savvy savers maximizing their potential today. In addition to setting up automatic transfers and naming your savings goals, it's vital to regularly review your financial plans. Taking the time to assess your progress ensures you remain on track to reach your targets. Consider utilizing available budgeting tools or apps to help visualize your savings journey. Monitoring your earnings can motivate you to increase your contributions, amplifying the benefits of compounding interest. This consistent evaluation allows you to adapt your strategies and make informed decisions regarding your financial future. Keep challenging yourself, and don't hesitate to make necessary adjustments as your goals evolve or as unforeseen circumstances arise. Utilizing the UFB Direct account can be a game changer for your financial health, especially in today's fast-paced world. Imagine waking up each morning knowing that every dollar you've saved is there, not just sitting idle, but growing steadily thanks to that impressive 5.25% APY. As you watch your savings accumulate, you'll cultivate a deeper sense of stability and control over your financial destiny. This isn't merely about numbers, it's a means to realize your ambitions, from education and down payments to spontaneous adventures. The more you save, the more freedom you earn, creating a ripple effect of positivity and potential in all areas of life. The UFB Secure Savings Account is not just about high interest, it embodies a philosophy where saving becomes an essential, rewarding activity. Each month, as you accumulate interest, your financial resilience strengthens, empowering you to take on challenges with confidence. Imagine having the funds to tackle unexpected bills or take a sudden trip without the stress of financial strain. This is what UFB offers, a pathway to freedom and flexibility, transforming the way you approach your finances. Embrace this opportunity, and allow your savings to work hard for you as you focus on what matters most in life. In a future where every dollar can bring you closer to your goals, your decision to partner with UFB Direct becomes the cornerstone of your financial strategy. This isn't just a savings account, it's an opportunity to thrive, providing you with the power of compounding interest and the benefits of an unmatched APY. Imagine speaking to friends and family about your success, sharing stories of how your smart choices are paving the way for a secure and prosperous future. With UFB, you're not merely saving, you're laying the foundation for a life filled with potential and purpose. Embrace this financial revolution and witness the transformation in your life as you achieve your dreams with confidence. Let us now explore the tangible benefits of UFB Direct's High APY by looking at some examples of how it could impact your savings in real terms. Suppose you decide to save $20,000 with UFB. You could expect to earn around $1,050 in interest every year. That's a significant difference that can serve multiple purposes. From covering everyday expenses to planning for larger investments, like a new car. Imagine the sense of security that comes with knowing your money is not just safe, but actively growing every single day. With this kind of earning potential, embracing a smarter saving strategy seems to be the obvious choice. Let's wrap up our discussion on UFB Direct and its incredible advantages. By choosing this high-yield savings account, you're stepping into a realm where your money works tirelessly for you, assuring peace of mind and financial success. This account isn't merely a place to store funds. It's an investment in your dreams, making aspirations reachable as you watch your savings blossom under that impressive APY. Don't just save, thrive by taking control of your financial destiny today. As you navigate your financial journey, remember that every choice you make today can pay dividends in the future. Investing in UFB Secure Savings is just a decision, it's a commitment to a prosperous life, where your savings are actively engaged in creating opportunities. Each deposit represents a step toward your dreams, whether they encompass travel, education, or personal development. With UFB's competitive APY, you're not merely saving, you're strategically fortifying your future. Consider this a pivotal moment to shift your financial narrative, embracing a smarter approach that reaps rewards and ignites possibilities. You'll soon find that your financial goals are much more attainable, thanks to the power of high-yield savings working diligently on your behalf. With a clear understanding of how UFB Direct can alter your financial landscape, take action now. The time to change is here. Explore the possibilities of opening an account today and discover how easily you can start earning high interest. By prioritizing your savings and adopting effective strategies, you can create a path to financial freedom. With UFB, you're not just saving, you're investing in a brighter future. Don't wait. Take control of your financial destiny now and watch your dreams come to life. You've learned how transforming your savings approach with UFB Direct can lead to significant financial growth and stability. Embracing high-yield savings isn't merely about watching numbers increase. It's a lifestyle shift towards financial empowerment and security. So, take the plunge, switch to UFB Secure Savings, and unlock a future filled with opportunities. Your financial journey begins to make the most of it. If this video gave you value, please share it with a friend. Hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Your support helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this information.